Hello children, class 9th. We are going to have today the online class. Welcome for the 9th class students on online classes. So these online classes are meant for you to understand nicely. Your doubts will be here clear. Your mathematics knowledge will be improved and all things will be here. Doubts will be clear what we did in these classes. So today we are going to start the Heron's formula. It is 12th chapter in your this NCRT book. So this Heron's formula, Heron's formula, Heron's formula. Heron was a mathematician from Egypt from year AD 10 to AD 75. He gave a formula on finding the area of triangle, that is area of a triangle is equal to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. But we doesn't know what is s, what is a, what is b, what is c. And so first of all we should know a triangle. What is a triangle? So first of all, triangle, definition of a triangle. So let us make it underline first of all. This is the formula which we have to understand. Now what is a triangle? Define a triangle. Everybody knows, so let us once again go through. Define a triangle. A triangle is a closed three-sided figure. It is a closed three-sided figure. Three-sided figure. A triangle is a closed three-sided figure. Now what is a line segment? Second is line segment. Line segment. So it is, first of all, let's once again go through this. A triangle is a closed three-sided figure. Three-sided, one side, 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. From any point you can start. This AB is one line segment, BC is another line segment, CA is the third line segment. When they are closed, they form a triangle. So triangle ABC is obtained. Line segment, it has two endpoints. It is the distance between 2 points. It is the distance between the 2 points, between BET, between 2 points, and has a definite length, and it has a definite length, For example, I am taking a line segment AB equal to 10 centimeter or 8 centimeter. So it is definite. AB, two line segments from here to here, from 1 to 8, that is 8 centimeter. Now area of triangle, we are going to find it out. Have a look what it is. So a triangle ABC is a triangle. AB, the line segment, it is having the length A. BC, it is having the length B. And CA, the another line segment, it has length C. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABC, what is that? That is sum of all the three sides. So we can write it as AB plus BC plus CA upon, this is not upon, sum of all the three sides, that is equal to A plus B plus C, because AB is A, the length of AB is A, BC's length is B, and CA's length is C. So S means semi-perimeter. S is not the side, S is semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So when we get perimeter divided by 2, it is semi means half. So half of the perimeter, semi-perimeter. So this is what we have to use here in the formula. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to under root of semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus length of one of the side is first side into semi-perimeter minus length of the another side, that is B, into semi-perimeter minus length of the third and the final side, that is C. So this is what he has made for finding the area of a triangle. So let us now find area of triangle whose sides are given. Sides are given. Find the area of the sides. Find, first question, find the area of a triangle ABC when AB is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and CA is equal to 6 centimeters. A triangle is obtained only then, or a triangle is formed only then, when sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Then only a triangle is possible. In class 8 you might have done. So solution we can find. Given side AB, AB is denoted by A, that is equal to 5 centimeters. BC, that is equal to B, that is equal to 7 centimeters. CA, that is equal to C, that is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 6 centimeters, that is equal to 18 centimeters. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12 and 6 is 18. Therefore, S can be equal to 18 upon 2, because A plus B plus C by 2, that is 18 by 2, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Now we can find area of the triangle. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle we can find area of triangle is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to under root of S, it is 18, that was 9, into 9 minus 5 into 9 minus 7 into 9 minus 6 centimeter square. So this centimeter square comes outside. This is equal to under root of 9 into 9 minus 5 is 4 into 9 minus 7 is 2 into 9 minus 6 is 3. This is equal to centimeter square, because this is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is centimeter. centimeter 4, that of square root is centimeter square. This is under root of 9 4s are 36 into 6 centimeters squares. This is equal to under root of 6 into 6 into 6 centimeters square. Under root 6 into under root 6 into under root 6. Under root 6 into under root 6 into under root 6 centimeters square. This is equal to under root 6 into under root 6 is 6 root 6 centimeters square. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Now another question on the same we will write. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle. Question next. Find the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle ABC when AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter and CA is 10 centimeters. Solution. Given AB is equal to A is equal to 8 centimeter, BC is equal to B is equal to 12 centimeters, CA is equal to C is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore A plus B plus C, that is equal to 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 10 is 30 centimeters. Centimeter plus centimeter plus centimeter is centimeter only. That is equal to, therefore S can be equal to 30 upon 2, that is 15 centimeters. Now we can find the area. Now we can find the area of triangle. Now we can find the area of triangle. Therefore area of triangle ABC, that is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So we have to write everywhere the formula, which formula we are making use of. That is equal to under root of S, it was 15 into 15 minus what was A was 8, it is 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 10 centimeters square outside. This is equal to under root of 15 multiplied by 15 minus 8 is 7, multiplied by 15 minus 12 is 3, multiplied by 15 minus 10 is 5 centimeters square. So this becomes, this is equal to under root of 15, 3 into 5, 15, 7 will remain as it is because it is a prime number. 3 is also a prime and 5 is also a prime. They cannot be factorized further. Centimeters squares. Now make them in pairs. 3 and 3 one pair, 5 and 5 one pair, 7 alone. So let us make them in that very form. It is 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by, it is 7 centimeters square. So area of triangle that is equal to under root of 3 into 5 whole square, because this is also having a square, this is also having a square, so we can make whole square multiply into under root of 7. Under root of 7, This is equal to square and root gets cancelled. It is 15 under root 7 centimeters square. This is the answer for the question. Now next question we are going to do. Next question we are going to do now. Next question. It is find the area of an equilateral triangle. Find the area of an equilateral triangle ABC whose with AB is equal to 6 centimeters. Now an equilateral triangle is that triangle in which all the three sides are equal. So solution will be triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 6 centimeters. Thus A plus B plus C is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 centimeter, because AB is also A, this 6, BC is also 6, CA is also 6, that is equal to 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. This implies A plus B plus C upon 2 is equal to 9 centimeters, because 18 by 2, that is 9 centimeter. Now area of triangle. Now we will find area of triangle. Therefore area of the triangle ABC is equal to root of S, that is equal to 9 into 9 minus 6 into 9 minus 6 into 9 minus 6. This is centimeter, this is also centimeter, this is also centimeter, this is also centimeter. Centimeter raised power 4, that is square root, that is equal to centimeter square outside. This is equal to under root of 9 into 3 into 3 into 3 centimeter square. This can be equal to under root of 9 into 9, 3, this 9 into 3 centimeter square. This can be equal to under root of 9 is whole square into root of 3 square, and root gets cancelled. This is equal to 9 under root 3 centimeter square. This is the answer for the question. Now next question we will do. Next question we will do. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose find the area of an equilateral triangle. Find the area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC with AB is equal to A. When units are not given, so we can write unit only then. It is not centimeter, it is not meter, it is simply unit. Solution. Given one side of the equilateral triangle, this is the triangle, make a rough sketch of the triangle here. If this is A, this is also A, this is also A, AB is also A, BC is also A, CA is also A. So all the three sides are A units and A units. Given AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABC, that is equal to A plus A plus A, that is equal to 3A, and S is equal to 3A upon 2. Now let us find this area. Area of triangle is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this will be equal to under root of S, that is equal to 3A upon 2 into S minus A. This is 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A upon 2 minus A. This is equal to under root of 3A by 2 into 2A, 2 ones are 2, here it is upon 1. 1 into 3A is 3A, 2 into A is 2A, 3A minus 2A is A by 2. This also A by 2, and this also becomes A by 2. So this becomes under root of 3. I am separating this root 3 separate, then A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 and A by 2, these separately. This is under root of A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. So this can be equal to under root of 3 into, this is twice, this is also twice, under root of A by 2 into A by 2 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled. This is root 3. A into A is A square upon 2 into 2 is 4. So for finding the area of an equilateral triangle, we have to now remember that it is root 3A square by 4. Whenever any question is given in the book or anywhere in class 10th also, class 11th also, we have to make use of this root 3A square by 4. So we will do another question on the same. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose one side measures 10 centimeter. Question next. Find area of an equilateral triangle ABC whose one side is of length 10 centimeters. Solution. Given A one side, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore area of triangle ABC, just now we did it, it is under root 3 A square upon 4. This is equal to under root 3 into, this is nothing, here it is into A. What is A? That is 10. 10 square is 10 into 10 divided by 4 centimeter square. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 5 into 5 is 25. Root 3 centimeters square. This is the answer for the question. Now the next question is the question says, if the area of an equilateral triangle is now given, area of an equilateral triangle is given, we are given that area of triangle, given area of triangle ABC is equal to 12 under root 3 centimeters square if one side is given area of an equilateral triangle, area of given area of equilateral triangle is 12 root 3 centimeters if its one side is 6 centimeter. Find its altitude. Find its altitude. So solution, given area of triangle ABC which is equilateral, that is equal to 12 under root 3 centimeters squares. Triangle is equilateral. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is 12 root 3, but area of triangle we know it is half base. Base means A, and altitude is H, is equal to 12 under root 3 centimeters square. It is 1 by 2. What is one side? All the sides are of 6, so any side you can take. It is 6 centimeters into height is H, is equal to 12 root 3 centimeters square. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 centimeters into height is equal to 12 under root 3 centimeters square. 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here goes cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So height means altitude. Height is 4 under root 3 centimeters. So this much is enough for today. Next we will do next time. Thank you and have a good day.